Leica has always been more than just a name stamped on a camera. It's a legacy, a symbol of craftsmanship, artistry, and the power to freeze life's most fleeting moments with precision and emotion. For decades, the Q series has stood as a testament to Leica's philosophy of purity and focus in photography, a perfect blend of minimalism, elegance, and engineering excellence. Now, after years of anticipation and whispers across the photography world, the rumored Leica Q4 could be the next monumental leap in that lineage, promising to push the boundaries of what a fixed-lens camera can achieve in 2025. The excitement around the Leica Q4 isn't built on empty hype. It's rooted deeply in the values that made the Q series a modern legend. And like many of today's cameras overloaded with features and zoom ranges, the Q line has always championed simplicity and intention. Its fixed 28mm lens challenges photographers to move, to think, and to engage with their subjects. It encourages a slower, more deliberate style of shooting, one that rewards patience and creative composition. That philosophy appears to continue with the Q4, but this time with cutting-edge upgrades that might redefine the entire compact camera category. Rumors suggest that the Leica Q4 will feature a brand new 60-megapixel backside illuminated CMOS sensor, a huge step up from the Q3's 47 megapixels. This upgrade isn't just about packing in more pixels, it's about giving photographers more freedom. The increased resolution allows for digital cropping at multiple focal lengths without sacrificing quality. Imagine shooting at 28mm, then cropping to a 35mm or even a 50mm equivalent while still maintaining around 19 megapixels of resolution. That kind of versatility, all while keeping a single fixed lens, could make the Q4 one of the most flexible compact cameras ever created. With the new sensor comes a promise of improved image quality, cleaner shadows, greater dynamic range, and better low-light performance. That's a game changer for street and documentary photographers who often work in unpredictable lighting. Pair this sensor with a next-generation image processor, and the Q4 could deliver lightning-fast performance, sharper autofocus, and more accurate color rendering while preserving Leica's signature tones and textures. If the rumors are true, we can expect smoother operation across the board, faster shutter response, reduced lag, and superior image processing that ensures every frame is as vivid and lifelike as the moment itself. Of course, the heart of the Q series has always been its lens, and Leica seems to know better than to change what already borders on perfection. The iconic Summilux 28mm f1.7 ASPH lens is said to return, though refined for even better optical performance. Reports suggest sharper details, improved edge-to-edge clarity, and reduced chromatic aberration, subtle yet powerful upgrades that elevate the already legendary glass. With this lens and the 60-megapixel sensor working in harmony, the Q4 could deliver breathtaking sharpness, natural contrast, and colors that burst with life. Whether you're capturing a city street at dusk or an intimate portrait in soft morning light. Another key area of rumored improvement is autofocus. While the Q3's hybrid AF system was good, competitors have advanced rapidly, and Leica seems ready to answer back. The Q4 may feature AI-driven autofocus capable of faster and more intelligent subject recognition, with improved eye and face detection. This would mean quicker, more reliable focusing, even in unpredictable shooting situations. For street photographers trying to capture fleeting expressions or fast movement, this kind of responsiveness could make all the difference. And for video shooters, smoother, more accurate tracking could finally make the Q series a serious contender for hybrid creators. Speaking of video, Leica seems to be taking this side of the camera more seriously with the Q4. The leaks suggest better frame rates, superior image stabilization, and greatly improved low-light video performance. Historically, the Q series has focused on stills, but the Q4 could mark a turning point, a camera that delivers cinematic quality video alongside world-class photography. Imagine being able to carry a single compact camera capable of producing both gallery-worthy photos and professional-grade video footage. That's exactly the kind of versatility modern creators crave. Leica also seems to be listening to user feedback about ergonomics and usability. The Q4 is expected to maintain the same beautifully compact aluminum body but with subtle refinements, improved grip, smarter button placement, and better balance. A redesigned articulating display has been one of the most requested features from Q users, and it looks like Leica may finally deliver. This would make shooting from low or high angles far easier while maintaining the tactile dials and manual control layout that Leica photographers love. The Q4 appears to promise the best of both worlds, the satisfaction of traditional controls combined with the convenience of modern interface design. Durability, as always, remains a core Leica principle. The Q4 is expected to retain full weather sealing and robust construction, built to endure professional use in any environment. Battery life may also see an improvement, a welcome change for photographers who spend long days shooting on the streets or traveling. Connectivity is set to get a modern upgrade to a faster USB-C data transfer, power delivery, and possibly new wireless capabilities that integrate seamlessly with mobile devices. The result? A camera that stays true to Leica's old-world craftsmanship while embracing the demands of a fast-paced, connected world. Perhaps one of the most exciting rumors is a potential monochrome edition of the Q4. Leica's monochrome cameras have achieved near-mythic status among black and white purists for their stunning tonal range and texture. A dedicated Q4 monochrome would speak directly to those who value emotional depth over convenience, photographers who see the world in light, shadow, and soul. It would embody Leica's timeless devotion to artistry and intention, a pure tool for expressive, deliberate photography. The Q4's viewfinder is also expected to receive a substantial upgrade. Reports hint at a redesigned hybrid system with greater magnification, improved clarity, and higher resolution for the electronic display. This could create an almost window-like viewing experience, allowing photographers to compose intuitively and with absolute precision. The goal, as always with Leica, is to make the camera disappear to create a seamless connection between eye, hand, and image. When you take all these rumored improvements together of the new 60-megapixel BSI sensor, refined Summilux lens, eye-driven autofocus, enhanced video features, ergonomic refinements, and possibly a stunning monochrome variant, it becomes clear that the Leica Q4 isn't just an incremental update. It's the evolution of a philosophy. Leica seems determined to bridge its century-old heritage with modern technological innovation, crafting a camera that respects the art of photography while embracing the needs of today's creators. For photographers who crave precision, beauty, and simplicity in one exquisitely designed package, the Leica Q4 might just be the defining compact camera of 2025. It promises not only to capture images with exceptional detail but also to evoke emotion, the kind of camera that reminds us why we fell in love with photography in the first place.